Alright guys, welcome to maths underscore Davidson, and today guys we're going to do a topic under algebra in maths called substitution. First thing first, what is substitution? Substitution is like exchanging something for another. So basically exchanging x for 2, exchanging y for 3. That is basically substitution. So in this case we have given that x equal 2, y equal -5, z equal 3. Find the value of let me give you a question. X minus 2y. Find the value of x minus 2y. The first thing first, you need to look at the question and think first before we go through. So as I said, you need to know the term substitution. Substitution is substituting, is exchanging something for another, basically. Though we want to use the word substitution is in the meaning, but it's basically exchanging something for another. So basically you're exchanging x for 2, y for -5, and z for 3. That you're basically doing. So in this case we're exchanging x for 2, right? So we write 2, got x there, so we write 2 under x, and then minus 2 bracketed, what is y? -5. We exchange y for -5, right? First thing first, when it says a variable and a number together, like you could have 3z, it basically can mean 3 times z. If you have 20x, mean 20 times x. If you have 45z, mean 45 times z. Basically, when a variable and number is together, mean multiply. So, and the bracket for numbers mean multiplication too. So that's why I have 2 bracketed -5, because this means 2 times -5. You can either read it as -2, because sign in the middle is negative, is minus. So you're right, and it's before the number. When a sign is before a number, you read it as negative or positive, but when it's in front the number, you read it as minus or plus. So what I mean is that if a sign is, if you write 2 here and you put a negative sign outside, that's -2, right? But if I have 2 and the negative sign inside, that's 2 minus, you read it as. So 2 minus and another number 4, and 2 minus 4 will give you -2. You owe 4, you pay 2, you still owe 2 back. See, just how easy method. Yeah. So this case now, we can either read it as again -2 times -5 or 2 times -5. But we read it as a long way now. We'll do the long way. I say 2, just a 2 here. We are left out the negative now. Just a 2 here times -5. So 2 times -5 get -10, right? And we still have the sign out here now. We're not trouble it, So we have to put back the sign. Alright. So put the negative sign, the minus sign out there back. I'll put 2. You need to know the rule. Minus give you plus, and minus plus equal minus, plus minus equal minus. You need to know those rules. This is just the opposite of this, basically. Not really the opposite, but I'm gonna switch it around. That's why it's still negative. Alright. So in this case, we say minus give you a plus. So in this case, this is going to turn to plus. So you're going to have 2 plus 10 right now equal to 12. And that's just a simple way to do substitution. We'll try one more. We're going to try one more. And next question. So in this case we square we're going to have x z squared. Right? What this mean? This don't mean x. This don't mean you're squaring everything in here. It don't mean that. If it was squaring everything in here, you would see a bracket like this, and the question doesn't have a bracket. So let me remove the bracket back, and it just said x z squared. That's all it just said. Xz squared without the bracket. So you know, say when that come to your mind and you say xz squared, don't think and say oh, the x is squaring too. No, one variable is squaring, and it's the z, because it's on the z only. It don't bracket. If it did bracket now, as I do again, it would be for this, it would square in this and it would square in the z, and they multiply them. But as I said, it's not asking that. So put by the z squared. So in this case, we exchange x for 2. And as I said, when a variable is close together, like this, it's multiplied beside it. In between, multiplying. So 2 times z squared. First, we're exchanging the z, which is the variable itself. We don't know what is z squared. We just know what is z. So we're going to switch the z for 3. So the z is 3, so we're going to put 3 here. That's z. That's not z squared. But the 3 is squared, right? So we're going to say now, always when you're doing maths and you get a question with multiple order of operation, right? Order of operation mean plus, minus, multiply, divide. That's the all of the order of operation. So if you have a question where what you have to and exponent basically. If you have a question basically and it have different order of operation in it, right? You're going to want to use this rule. It's kind of a rule. It's basically a rule. You only want to use this rule. It's basically saying you run through the rule and you said parentheses, PEMDAS in here. PEMDAS. And then the P stands for parentheses, which is bracket, which is this bracket. The exponent stands for what you see up here. So it's E2 basically, or E3, anything. Not to be 2, can be 4, any number. Just put 6 there. Multiplication, so so that's times. Division, so that dividing. Addition, adding, and subtracting is minus. So in this case now, we don't have no bracket, so we skip that. We don't have that. We have multiplication, we don't have division, so we x that. We have addition, no, x that again. We have subtraction, no, x that again. So the only thing we have work with are the exponent and the multiplication. These two is the only two we're working with right now. Exponent and multiplication. So which one come first? The exponent come first. So in this case, you're going to know what to do first. So you're going to know, so you have to do the exponent first, which is 3 squared. So 3 squared give you what? 3 squared mean 3 times 3 equal, which is 9. So it says 9, so you say now 2 times 9. Because you get this, you do the exponent and you get 9. which is 3 squared, 9. So you do the exponent and get one number now. So now, you're done with the exponent now. This is gone out of blue. Now, multiplication left now. That's all left, just the multiplying left. You see? So, we're going to say equal 2 times 9, give you 18. And that is your answer. Simple and easy substitution. Simple and easy. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you understand what I was saying. I'm just trying to do my best to help you guys out and so forth. So please follow for more, subscribe for more, and see you next time. I'm going to do more videos, so stay tuned.